Hello everyone. I'd just like to point out for the first time, I'm taller than Al. Right, okay, so we're talking about our GBG wide arch edition. We're talking about the arches and also the bonnet vents that we fit. Currently Al has fitted the template, another one of our top secret bits, and we've put the template on, cut the holes out to fit the vents, which are I just got carried away in my own head talking. I was thinking about Al for a second. So moving on from our GBG Wide Arch Series Edition, including bonnet vents. So we've fitted the template to the bonnet, and what we're doing is we're taking a 204 bonnet to a 507. They have the vents fitted. So what we do is we get the original Mercedes vents, we fit our template, cut the holes, fold them, which Al's currently doing to make it absolutely perfect, and also give it a complete flush finish to the vent and give it as perfect as possible as an OE finish. We try to specialise on that because we don't want it to look aftermarket in any way. So that's the best thing. We also modify the underneath, but you can't see that because Al's working on the top. And I'm going to say it again, I am taller than Al.